is the day we get some bigger woofers in the box here. You already know we got Micah, but we got the CT Sounds Meso 8s getting swapped out, or the Scar VD8s getting swapped out for the CT Meso 8s. VD8, you guys can see that's a much smaller woofer than what we're putting in. This is what we're taking out, but this is what's going in. The CT Sounds Meso and removing the Scar VD8. You think there will be a difference? Yeah. Oh man. Let the big dog eat. Oh, looks like it fits, huh? If it fits, it ships, baby. Let me get my foot right. The 8s drop in perfectly because Custom Audio JD, these are the subwoofers that he actually designed the box for. And so these shallow mounts were just getting a little bit too much suspension throw for what they're needing, a little too much airspace. But I knew that, and so we just babied them for a little bit. And now we got something that can actually reproduce them nasty lows like I need. And the last of the 4 to go in. Not too bad. Didn't have any issues fitting the woofers in. Fire it up here in a bit. And there it is. All 4 installed. Test fire to make sure they all work. Bingo. Woofer swap in about an hour.
I be ballin' like my nigga Mo. Shaq West got so many flows. I do it all. Call me Drake, hot nigga. Oh fuck, shit, bitch. Yes, Shaq West said I'm getting really rich. See how I got it, cause I really went to shit. See you in the streets and I be